Melissa Lucio, Texas. Melissa Lucio was accused of killing her 2.5-year-old daughter, a child too young to understand, lost in a tragic and controversial case. This is a story of a mother fighting for her life and her innocence. On February 17, 2007, emergency responders were called to Melissa Lucio's home in Harlingen, Texas. Her daughter, Mariah Alvarez, was found unresponsive with bruises and head injuries. Mariah was later pronounced dead at the hospital. Authorities suspected Melissa of physically abusing Mariah, believing her injuries were not accidental. Melissa initially told police that Mariah had fallen down the stairs 2 days prior, but prosecutors argued this did not explain the severity of the injuries. After hours of interrogation, Melissa confessed to spanking and biting her daughter, but never admitted to murder. Her defense claimed she was coerced during the interrogation and suffering from exhaustion and grief. Experts have raised concerns about the validity of her confession and lack of direct physical evidence tying her to intentional murder. Despite this, Melissa was convicted of capital murder in 2008 and sentenced to death. Melissa Lucio was born in Lubbock, Texas, on June 18, 1969. Her father passed away when she was an infant, and the family relocated to the Rio Grande Valley. At the age of 16, Lucio married Guadalupe Lucio, with whom she had 5 children. Lucio's marriage was reportedly difficult, marked by her husband's issues with substance abuse and allegations of physical violence. She later married Robert Alvarez, and together they had 7 more children. In total, Melissa Lucio had 12 children. Her youngest daughter, Mariah Alvarez, was born in 2004, making Mariah her 12th child. Lucio had been previously investigated by Child Protective Services due to concerns of neglect. Reports indicated that some of her younger children were left in the care of older siblings. Lucio struggled with substance abuse, and after Mariah's birth, she tested positive for cocaine. This led to her children being placed in foster care, although Lucio regained custody of them in late 2006. Melissa Lucio's case is complicated by substance abuse and mental health struggles. Psychologists believe that her long history of addiction, particularly to cocaine, clouded her judgment and emotional state, making her unable to properly care for her daughter. There's also the issue of her confession, which was made under significant emotional pressure and coercion. Experts on false confessions suggest that people in high distress, like Lucio, can sometimes admit to crimes they did not commit. This case emphasizes how untreated mental health conditions and addiction can contribute to neglectful behavior, leading to tragic consequences. It shows the importance of recognizing these factors in criminal cases involving parents and children. Melissa Lucio was sentenced to death but received a stay of execution in 2022, allowing further investigation into new evidence. Her legal team continues to fight for retrial or exoneration based on concerns about her original conviction. Her case remains one of the most high-profile and controversial death penalty cases in the United States today.